friends, I'm Miss P. I can't wait to learn food words with you today. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a banana. 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 Can you say banana? Well done. This is a cookie. 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 Can you say cookie? Super. This is juice. 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 Can you say juice? Amazing. This is cheese. 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 Can you say cheese? Fantastic. This is water. 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 Can you say water? Magnificent. This is a egg. 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 Can you say egg? Superb. This is bread. 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 Can you say bread? Well done. This is a ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Can you say ice cream? Amazing. Great job. You did amazing. Let's say some more words soon. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.